Hey guys, today I'm going to make a video on the Tao DB14. So on this pit bike, when I would slow down, it would make a weird like clicking noise. So I found that it was actually the chain roller. So I think the best thing to do is just remove it. So take your socket wrench, and I'm using the 17 millimeter, and so yeah, just start loosening it and undo it. Okay, so once you have it off, there's this little thing that you want to undo. Pull it out, and then there's this spring. So just pull it down and try and grab it. Okay, so now it should sound better. So thanks for watching.